Motivation was simple, like Cartier, Rolex, luxury cars, or
Right.
an apartment. But then you reach the stage that the money, of course, it's important, but it's not at the first place. Real estate is not a sprint, it's marathon. Go for the long game, build the trust. Maybe you will earn smaller commission from the specific deal,
Yep.
but your client will get a dream home or they will double their investment.
There's a phrase, hit and run. Some agents out there, they just seek the commission,
Yeah.
get that,
I think the
and
best
move on.
thing what I achieve is the freedom. And freedom, I'm not talking about only financial freedom. I do what I want, I work where I want, I work with whom I want, wear what I want, travel any country I want, anytime I want. Every year I'm putting actually personal targets, personal financial goals, and what I'm doing, it's usually double number from the previous year.
Amazing.